In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate a Facebook account. For this, open your Facebook and click on the three lines icon on the top right corner, and then click on Settings and Privacy, and then go to Settings option. From here, click on See More in Account Center, that is first result. Here, click on See More in Account Center and scroll down and select Accounts option. From here, you'll have to choose your account. So choose an account that you're logged in with and you want to delete one. So go to Accounts and you'll see your personal details here. Click on Account Ownership and Control and then click on Deactivation or Deletion option, that is the last option, and select any of these accounts that you want to delete. So you can deactivate your account temporarily or delete your account permanently, and click on Continue in order to do the same. So that's how we can do it. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.